We go live now.
Surbhi,
Yeah.
Everyone is coming.
Yeah, I'm going live now.
People are sending requests on the Facebook. Let the host enter. Let us give us a permission to enter it.
Tusha.
नानू तो ये तो 1 मिनट में स्टार्ट हो रहा है चलिए ठीक है वो जा रहे हैं
We are live on Facebook. Samrit, can you unmute yourself, please? Samrit?
Yeah.
Done. And please let everybody in now.
Everybody is in.
ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं
51 participants.
Meenu, over to you. Meenu?
Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
over to you. We are live on Facebook as well, and we have everybody in. So, over to you now.
Okay. Should we start? How many of them are there?
We have 52, including us, so far.
Okay. So I think start somewhere around 5:05. That's what.
Yeah. So in the meantime, you can talk about what we discussed.
So should we start?
We don't start. So we are live on Facebook as well. So a lot of people are watching it there, and then we have of course 54 of us so far on Zoom. Looks very lively.
And a lot of people are coming on the Facebook.
Yeah.
To see so many of you.
Yeah.
So I think the countdown begins, and a couple of minutes we will start the program.
Yeah.
Samrit is all set.
Yeah.
Can we request everybody to mute themselves, please?
Can't see anything. No visual.
Sorry, ma'am.
No visual.
It will come. I hope you can see something now.
Nothing yet.
Veena Agrawal, right. Let me find you. I'll just request you, ma'am, to log out and log back in again. It's only you, I think. Everybody else can see.
Okay, fine. I'll try that because nothing is coming. No visual, yeah.
Right, thank you. Can I request everybody to mute themselves, please?
Mute kar do na usko.
It's good to see the number of people increasing on the Facebook as well as on the Zoom. I think another few minutes to go, and you'll all will be able to hear the beautiful recitals from Samrit. And I see a lot of beautiful faces around here. So I think another minute, and we'll go live. "63 participants as of now.
Right. Minu, you are on mute.
Yes, I have just unmuted myself. Hope everybody will mute themselves so that no, there's not a lot of disturbance. It is a lot of distraction when somebody doesn't mute itself. What? We request all of you, the moment you join in, please mute yourself. The participants are slowly increasing. It's 65 as of now. Survi?
The number you are calling is out of network.
Sonali Agrawal, just unmuting you. Yeah, you were saying something. Now it's time. So we are live on Facebook. A lot of viewers there as well.
Okay, Survi. I think it's a lot of people on board now, and we'll start.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Samrit, can you unmute yourself, please?
Samrit, you need to unmute. Okay. Okay. Good evening, everybody. It is good to see the presence of so many of you here today on the screen as well as on the Facebook. और आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से आदर, अभिनंदन, नमस्कार. It's my pleasure to extend a very warm and a cheerful welcome to you all. This is Meenu Shrivastava. As you all know, that today's program is a fundraiser dedicated to the elderly, or we call them the senior citizens, who play a very, very significant role in the social fabric of our society with their immense experience. So program की शुरुआत से पहले एक छोटी सी बात आप लोग के साथ मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि ये जो सारा कॉन्सेप्ट है आज के प्रोग्राम का is somebody's brainchild, and that somebody is none other than Samrit Goel. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him, Samrit Goel. Over to Samrit.
Dear all and respected elders, thank you for your presence. When one of my friend's grandfather got infected with the coronavirus, it made me realize that it not only impacts our day-to-day lives, but for some of us, our mental health, especially the elders who get isolated whether they are infected or not. And that's when I thought of doing something for them and ensuring that our loved ones are stimulated and entertained. Now I'm going to present a beautiful piece, Remote Jiangyan. I have recently learned this, and I hope I do full justice to it. Hope you guys enjoy this.
Wow, that was absolutely amazing, Samrit. Well done. And actually, while you were playing, I could see your emotions shining through. It seems for the kids of today, the emotional intelligence is the new smartness. Before moving forward, I would like everybody to please mute yourself. I could, hear some disturbances. So just a request, please mute yourself. So before moving forward, I have a message from Samrit for all of you. To all the dadu, dadis, uncle and aunties, friends, please go on to my Facebook page. That is Samrit's Piano Retentions. Please like, share, or अच्छे comments डालिए. Dream big and work hard. That's what the kids are today. So let's make it our responsibility to motivate them. Coming on to a very, very hot topic of these challenging times and turbulent times, which everybody is aware of, or सबको इसके बारे में पता है, and that is COVID-19. Now, this COVID-19 has dominated the headlines for quite some time now, few months now. So, इस सब देखते हुए, we have two guests with us, Mr. Praveen Anand and Mr. Rakesh Dhawan. who got infected with this virus और अब बिल्कुल ठीक हैं, they are perfectly all right. So they would like to share their experience with us. Mr. Rakesh Dhawan, can you just please share your experience with us?
Mute.
Sorry, can Mr. Praveen Anand share his experience with us?
I'm trying
Hello,
to
everyone.
unmute.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Praveen Anand. First of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate Samrid for his this जो उसकी सोच है, पॉजिटिव सोच है, या जो उसकी भी philanthropic सोच है उसके लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने बुजुर्गों के लिए. I congratulate and wish him all the best for everything, whatever he does in the future, also in his career and personal and professional growth. Now, regarding my experience, I got infected with corona while going to office. I'm a banker, so I could not avoid going to office. Despite taking all the precautions, सभी चाहे दिन में 6 बार हाथ भी धो लिए, सब कुछ कर लिए, फिर भी I got infected. क्योंकि ये एक वायरस इस तरह की चीज है जिसके लिए विजिबल तो है नहीं, और पता नहीं किस चीज से कब किसके ऊपर आ जाता है. अब आने के बाद सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब आया तो माय फर्स्ट सिम्टम वाज कि मेरे को फीवर आया था सुबह, दैट वाज सैटरडे. मगर फीवर आते ही, बिकॉज इन माय ऑफिस 2 days बैक वन कोलीग वाज टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव, तो मुझे इमीडिएटली लगा कि कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. सो आई क्वारंटाइन माई सेल्फ इनटू द सेपरेट एरिया. तो उससे क्या हुआ कि एक तो मेरी फैमिली बिल्कुल ही इससे, आई ट्राई टू इंसुलेट देम फ्रॉम एनी इफेक्ट लाइक. तो फीवर जो था फर्स्ट डे इट वाज लाइक वेंट अप टू 102. नेक्स्ट डे इट वाज आल्सो वंस अराउंड दैट. मगर द थर्ड डे देन माय डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी कि आप, डॉक्टर ने फीवर का ट्रीटमेंट शुरू कर दिया था, और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि आप टेस्ट करवा लीजिए along with this विडाल टेस्ट और 3-4 और जो वायरल फीवर्स के टेस्ट हैं, उसका ये टेस्ट भी करवा लीजिए. दो माय वाइफ वाज एप्रीहेंसिव कि अभी टेस्ट की क्या जरूरत है, कुछ आ गया तो आई मीन लाइक आप समझ रहे हैं कि कोविड-19 आज की डेट में सोशल स्टिग्मा भी होता है. आसपास के लोग कहते हैं इसके कोविड आ गया, सब डरते हैं, अवॉइड करते हैं. तो शी वाज अफेयर ऑफ दैट, बट आई सेड कि नहीं, अगर कुछ है तो टेस्ट तो करवा लेना चाहिए. अगर कुछ है तो आई कैन फाइट इट राइट नाउ. इसको जितना देर करेंगे सिम्टम्स आने के बाद, तो रिस्क इंक्रीज. एंड इन आवर एज ग्रुप एंड द हायर एज ग्रुप, ट्रीटमेंट जितना जल्दी प्रॉपर शुरू हो जाए उतना ही है. अब जहां तक ट्रीटमेंट की बात है, ट्रीटमेंट तो डॉक्टर्स जो भी ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं इसके अंदर सिम्टम्स का करते हैं. अगर आपको खांसी आई है तो खांसी का ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हो जाता है, फीवर है तो फीवर का ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हो जाता है. वायरस की जो लड़ाई है, वायरस अपने आप बॉडी लड़ती है उसके लिए, क्योंकि अभी कोई वैक्सीन नहीं है, कोई वायरस का ऐसा अलग से कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है, तो वायरस के लिए उसको बॉडी को ही तैयार रखना पड़ता है. तो उस इम्यूनिटी के लिए हमने कुछ चीजें जो देसी बोलते हैं या आयुर्वेदिक जो लोग बोलते हैं, लाइक काढ़ा मेरे घर में गिलोय, तुलसी, जिंजर एंड देन दालचीनी और ये काली मिर्च, थोड़ा लौंग और मलट्ठी डाल के हमने घर में काढ़ा बनाना शुरू किया. तो 3-4 बार वो काढ़ा लिया दिन के अंदर, प्लस स्टीमिंग. अब स्टीमिंग में सबसे बड़ी बात है, स्टीमिंग में एक चीज ध्यान रखनी होती है इसके अंदर. अगर गले में स्टीमिंग लेनी है तो लोग नाक की बजाय, आपको जुकाम होता है नाक, इसमें आपको गले से लेनी है, इस तरह करके स्टीम लेनी थी. तो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी कंटिन्यूड फॉर 3 days. फर्स्ट few days are very tension, मेरे लिए भी, डॉक्टर्स के लिए भी. बट सिम्टम्स अगर कुछ चेंज होने होते हैं, बढ़ना होता है, तो मे बी फर्स्ट 3, 4, 5 days तक आपके दूसरे सिम्टम आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक दैट कि आपकी बॉडी इसको फाइट करना शुरू कर देगी. और बिलीव मी, जब तक ये नहीं होता, मैं हुआ था पॉजिटिव, तो आई वाज आल्सो स्कैर्ड कि यार पता नहीं क्या होगा. सबसे पहले नेगेटिव चीजें माइंड में आती हैं कि यार कुछ हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे, वो हो जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे. आई मीन यू थिंक अप टू द एक्सट्रीम कि भाई खत्म लाइफ इसके बाद. बट फैक्ट इज इट इज अनदर वायरस. अब लड़ने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि इट इज अनदर डिजीज. ठीक है, आई मीन अभी इसका एज सीरियस ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है, पर डिजीज आने के बाद यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट फॉर दैट. ओनली थिंग इज कि आपको अपनी इम्यूनिटी बना के रखनी है. तो पहले के 6-7 दिन में पॉजिटिविटी बनानी है, अपनी इम्यूनिटी बना के रखनी है, मेडिसिन टाइम पे लेनी है. फीवर कैन गो फ्रॉम 7 days, 3 days कईयों का चला जाता है, कईयों का 7 days, बिकॉज आई हैड डायबिटीज. तो मेरा फीवर गया था 15 दिन के बाद. तो बट आई केप्ट ऑन कंसल्टिंग द डॉक्टर्स, केप्ट ऑन कंसल्टिंग, उनकी लगातार उनकी भी सलाह लेता रहा. बट सबसे बड़ी बात, अपने क्वारंटाइन नहीं तोड़ना, अपने अलग से नहीं जाना, और अपनी हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है. हिम्मत मेरी है अपने अंदर, भगवान पे भरोसा रखना और अपनी हिम्मत बनाए रखनी है. तो ऐसी कोई बीमारी नहीं है कि जो ये नहीं हो पाएगी. It will definitely, we can fight it out, we can come out of it.
Right.
That's it. तो हाँ,
Thank
तो
you, Mr.
बाकी
Pradeep.
कुछ चीजें तो like that.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. And आपके साथ मैं बिल्कुल अग्री करूंगी कि पॉजिटिविटी तो बना के रखनी ही है. और जैसा कि आपने कहा, ये जो वायरस है, ये फियर ऑफ एक अननोन रहता है. बट आपके एक्सपीरियंस के शेयर करने के बाद ये जो फियर ऑफ अननोन था, उसको आपने थोड़ा सा नोन कर दिया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड कैन वी हैव मिस्टर राकेश धवन, फॉर योर brief, whatever your experience briefly.
I hope you've unmuted me. Can I be heard?
Yeah, yes, you can be heard.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for having me on this show. I am Rakesh Dhawan. I'm 70 years old and both diabetic and hypertensive. So I was in the most vulnerable category. So this all started with a sore throat on the 26th of May. It was the end of May, the first time I had a sore throat. So I immediately rang up my ENT specialist. I said, I would like to have an appointment with you. I have a sore throat. So he said, sorry, I cannot see you, but you do these 2 tests and send me the report on WhatsApp. So the tests were that one was the chest X-ray and second was the blood hemogram. So I got the hemogram done and I got the chest X-ray, sent him the reports. So he said, your chest X-ray is okay, but your hemogram shows some traces of infection. So he gave me a cough syrup and I think an antibiotic for the infection. So I took the cough syrup. My cough was okay within 2 days, but then I had strong, severe body ache. So I called him up again. I said, I have severe body ache. So he said, you take this 500, this, what do you call, Calpol type, you have this paracetamol. Okay. Paracetamol, 500 mg you take, that should take care of it. But in the meanwhile, he suggested I go in for a COVID test. So I got my test done on the 28th and 29th morning, I was told that I'm positive. Now I was in the most vulnerable category, positive COVID and also hypertensive and diabetic. So I immediately isolated myself. I was in a room all by myself. And but then the problem was that I stopped eating. I just couldn't eat anything, drink anything. I lost my smell. I lost my sense of taste. So these 2 things made me avoid food and liquids totally. Now this went on for 3-4 days. And my children got really worried. They said, no, if you're not eating and you are diabetic, your levels can go down. We are not monitoring your blood pressure. So this is not proper. So at first they tried to get somebody to give me intravenous fluids. Everybody refused. They said, we will not come and do it for a COVID patient. We will not do this. So the other alternative was that they shift me to a hospital where my blood pressure could be monitored, my blood sugar could be monitored. So I was shifted to the Escorts Fortis Hospital. I checked in there, and fortunately there they did not have to use any oxygen or any ventilator, nothing of that sort, because I was checking my oxygen levels on the oximeter regularly. And fortunately for me, they never went below 95. So it was 95, 96, 97, and it never went below 95. So I was very happy that the oxygen levels are okay. But then I had severe body ache, severe headache, the headache which is undescribable, and no appetite whatsoever. So there also I did not eat anything, but they gave me intravenous fluids. They did a chest X-ray every day. They did checked my blood. So on the 11th of June, they said, now you're perfectly fine. You can go home. And after 4 days, you can start your normal life.
That's
so I came back home. Yeah, I came back home. I was in the hospital for 6 days. And and it was good because being diabetic and hypertensive, you need constant monitoring. So I came back on the 11th, but I was so weak and I lost a lot of weight in these days and I could hardly stand. It has taken me now 3 full weeks to get back to normal, get back my appetite, start having my normal meals and going about my normal day-to-day work. So I was rather, I would say I was lucky. I didn't have any fever. I didn't have any, oxygen problems. So everything, worked
That's
out.
great, Mr. Dhawan, and thank you. It was definitely a very good insight, and I'm sure you're feeling much better now, and you will be. And now let's bring Samrit in the spotlight to hear his another recital. Over to Samrit.
The name of this piece is Dream of Flying. I've been playing this piece since childhood and I've always loved it. I hope you guys enjoy it too.
Wow, that was really nice. Dream of Flying has become my favorite also now. That was really good, Samrit. जब हम लोग कोविड की बात करते हैं तो there is so much of information. I mean, say lots and lots of information is circulating around. And this information actually makes us feel worried, confused, and to some extent, it scares us also. So in सबको देखते हुए, we have a very known nutritionist as guest amongst us, and who has launched her own brand of healthy snacks by the name of Keros. She has a lot of centers across India. And I need not introduce her. Everybody must be knowing her. Let's welcome Simran Sahani.
Thank you so much, Meenu. Thanks to Samrid and Nidika for this wonderful initiative. This is such a noble cause, and I'm so grateful that I'm part of it. I'm associated with it. And our nation, India, is full of, we people are full of cultures, and we really respect our elders. And ये जो आज प्रोग्राम है, ये जो कॉज लिया है समृद्ध ने, वो हमारे बड़ों के लिए लिया है. एंड आप सब जो बड़े हैं, ये वल्नरेबल हैं इस टाइम कोविड-19 में. And I am happy and grateful that I am adding my bit to it. And thanks Samrit for this initiative. तो आज जो मैं बात करूंगी, so I'll be talking on the healthy rituals that we all should follow. अभी राकेश जी एंड प्रवीण जी ने बहुत अच्छे से बताया that कैसे वो अपने इससे फाइट करके बाहर आए हैं. And they added to it that the word immunity, आजकल it's a buzzing word, immunity. So and we all should take care of our immunity. So let's see how should we start our day. So सबसे पहले जो don't है, we should not start our day with tea. इसको मना कर दीजिए, टी को हम बाद में लेके आएंगे. So let's start our day with handful of nuts and seeds. So nuts can be almonds, add cashews, अंजीर add करिए. So you can add seeds as well. So have a handful of soaked seeds and nuts. Soak करने से क्या होता है? They get activated and absorption उनका हमारी बॉडी में आसान हो जाता है. Because many of people they ask कि soak करें कि ना soak करें. So I would advise soak all the seeds and all the nuts, and then you can have handful. And जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सारे एक बार में ही खाना है, but yes, have something defined that आपको 10 almonds खाने हैं, 5 cashew खाने हैं, 2 walnuts खाने हैं. Then you can spread the routine. अपने 12 बजे तक आप इनको खा लीजिए. But soak it, ये आप ध्यान रखिएगा. And then the word काढ़ा आजकल बहुत चल रहा है कि काढ़ा लेना है काढ़ा, but काढ़े की definition अब जिससे भी पूछेंगे, that's different. Someone is saying हाँ मैं काढ़ा ले रहा हूँ, and if I ask them कि आप काढ़े में क्या डालते हैं, they'll say हम गिलोय का काढ़ा ले रहे हैं. Then someone will say मैं इसका काढ़ा ले रहा हूँ. So as per my पिछले 22 साल का जो experience है, and I've worked with so many people in regard to their immunity only. And आजकल मेरे पास बहुत से लोगों की inquiries है जिनके घर में कोरोना हो गया है, but other people also they need to take care of them because जो उनको कोरोना हो गया वो तो एक रूम में quarantine हो गए हैं, but other people in the family are also at risk. So the काढ़ा which I'll recommend and जो herbs हम उसमें add करेंगे, they are easily available in our kitchen. So you can like अगर आपको 1 कप काढ़ा पीना है, सबसे पहले आप 2 कप पानी चढ़ाइए. Add सौंफ, you can add हल्दी to it, you can add गिलोय, pepper, मोटी इलायची and salt आप उसमें add कर दीजिए, और cinnamon, the most important ingredient. इनको आप उबालिए and जब भी पानी half हो जाए, then you can have it. And उसमें आपको अगर कुछ आपका स्वीट आपका टूथ है तो आप उसमें शक्कर ऐड कर लीजिए. Avoid all the white products that I'll come later on, but चीनी नहीं उसमें डालिएगा. And अगर आपको लेमन से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो उसमें आप नींबू ऐड कर लीजिए. Have that काढ़ा at least twice in a day. अगर आप वो लेंगे तो आपकी immunity काफी boost रहेगी. And the number 3rd, which is very important, that is you can have a detox water every day. So detox water can be like जो मैं आजकल advise कर रही हूँ, बहुत आजकल as Meenu said that बहुत lot of information available over the Google and आस पड़ोस वाले भी देते हैं, but जो मैंने आजकल बताया है it is really helping people. आप 1 लीटर पानी में you can add half teaspoon of cinnamon, उसमें तुलसी लीव्स ऐड करिए 3-4, आप मिंट लीव्स ऐड कर दीजिए. You can add लौंग into it. And अगर एप्पल साइडर विनेगर आपके पास है, you can add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon in 1 liter of that water. And वो पूरा दिन आप पानी थोड़ा थोड़ा पीते रहिए. That's a good detox water. फिर detoxification इसलिए जरूरी है. It's not only COVID. Otherwise also COVID से पहले भी बहुत सी बीमारियां थी जो हमें अटैक करते हैं if our immunity is poor. So we should now gear up. We are at risk. And the senior citizens are most vulnerable, so take care of these things. and try to add different millets to your diet. आप रागी को ऐड कर लीजिए. You can add jawar, bajra, you can have chila of any of these millets. किसी भी तरीके से आप ढोकला बनाइए, उपमा बनाइए, because we need other minerals as well. So ragi is very rich in calcium and iron. So try to add these. Avoid white products. आप नमक जो मिलता है plain salt, उसको अपने किचन से बाहर कर दीजिए. It's not good for all of us. Because उसमें सिर्फ iodine होता है, and if we take Himalayan pink salt, it has got 84 minerals in it. White sugar को हटा दीजिए अपने kitchen से, because वो हमारी immunity को और deteriorate करता है. So replace that with jaggery, shakkar, coconut sugar powder. So you can add these things into your kitchen, and refined flour को आप बिल्कुल अपने kitchen से हटा दीजिए. And the most important thing is आप जो भी fruits and vegetables अपने diet में लेते हैं, so try to count the colors. So एक आप rainbow colors आप समझे, rainbow मतलब specifically not those colors in your diet, but yes, try to add fruits and vegetables of different colors, so that आपके vitamin minerals की requirement different fruits and vegetables से complete हो. So count the colors of your fruits and vegetables, and follow these rituals every day. And this is not just for COVID-19, but it's for every day. And for your gut health, you can have a powder of saunf, ajwain and jeera. उनको roast करके एक powder बना लीजिए, and after every meal अगर आप उसको लेंगे, तो आपकी gut health भी अच्छी रहेगी. Any question, Meenu? Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Simran. And your information was really helpful, and everything was in a nutshell. और इतनी information circulate हो रही है, तुमने बिल्कुल उसको एक nutshell में कर दिया. Very helpful. I have noted your kadha recipe and your water ka and whatever tips you have given. I'm sure everybody must have too. So again, all of you just get ready to hear Samrid's playlist. Samrid, can we have your another recital?
Yeah. The next piece is the Fantasy Impromptu, which is composed by Frederick Chopin. It took me almost a month to get this piece together, and I love this piece because of the variation in the pace of the notes it has. I hope you guys enjoy this too.
Awesome. Absolutely awesome. I can imagine hearing the thunderous applause. I wish the audience were not on mute. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं और I have read it somewhere कि ये जो बच्चे होते हैं, the children are the rainbow of life. But ये जो grandchildren होते हैं, they are a pot of gold. So we have with us Samrid's grandfather, who is so overwhelmed to see his grandchild, doing so well, performing so beautifully, that he would like to say a few words. Uncle?
A very good evening to all. My thanks to everyone for acknowledging Samrid's efforts and for encouraging him with your contribution and blessings in his noble cause. I am so proud of him and wish him success in life for now and forever. आजकल के बच्चे स्मार्ट और इंटेलिजेंट होने के साथ सेंसिटिव भी हों. This is the best gift a family can have. Thanks.
Thank you, Dadu. Though thank you is a very small word for the love and blessings you keep showering upon us. So for my last recital, I will be going to play Lappe Aati Hai. Whenever I play this very beautiful Hindi piece, my head gets filled with very fond memories. I dedicate this song to my teachers and to every senior citizen who has set this foundation in our country. Lappe aati hai dua, ban ke tamanna meri, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत होए खुदा मेरी.
Very nice. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. It was really beautiful. God bless. और हम सब की ये दुआ है कि तुम जिंदगी में बहुत अच्छा करो. Best wishes and all the success in your life. And lastly, would like to thank the audience for your time. आपने वक्त निकाला और यहाँ पे आए. समृद्ध को इससे बहुत motivation मिला. And would request all of you to please come forward and support Samrid in his passionate journey, as every little bit helps. So details of it are already posted in the group. We'll do it again. And one can also go on to Samrit's Facebook page, that is Samrit's Piano Redemptions, and see the details. The video of today's program will be posted there. This campaign will last for another week. Please stay safe, build your immunity, swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, take care, and good night.
कुछ मिल गया वेट वेट नहीं यूज करनी है
को क्वालिटी रखा हुआ है।
अच्छा
हाँ वो हमारे लीवर को है तो रख लो।
अच्छा
तो ये लड़की
ये लड़की का नाम है